This is Oscar. He's a cutie. Oscar, Habibi. Okay. Oscar, you need to eat, baby boy, because you are so skinny. My goodness. No, 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 no. This exaggeration. Not being too fat, not being too skinny. Oh no, let's have it like healthy, please. My goodness, baby boy. No. You gotta build up some muscles. No, Vienny, your muscles. You're gonna build them. No. Don't you want to build muscles? Vienny. You gotta be very, very strong if you eat. Oh, okay, I think the wasps are bothering you. Probably. Oh. They're bothering you? What do we do? What do we do? I'm gonna give you something. You don't know. Beautiful. They are bothering you, aren't they? Do you want to have some of this? Oh, you're so beautiful. Oh my god, I love you so much. Okay, I'm gonna leave something here for you to eat. The wasps want to eat. Every creature wants to eat. The ants want to eat. Everyone wants to eat. Everyone eat. Yalla, eat. Yeah. Wait a minute. Okay. Let's share. Well, I miss you guys. Really, it's been a long time. I haven't seen you. Maybe there's one more. Let's see. This one to Mr. This one too. And this one too. You better do the recycling. And there's one more. All this will go in the bin. We have still one more. This one goes. All right. All right. Oh, well, there are so many mosquitoes over here, wasps over here, obviously. All right. Okay. Okay. Ciao, baby. Oscar, I love you so much. This cat's name is Oscar. He's lovely. Ciao, baby boy. I'm gonna put some more water. And I've got one more pate for the cat. So here we go. My adventures in feeding the cats. Do they still have water here or something? Maybe I should keep that over there. Okay. And then, all right, for the other cats. Well, it's been a while. Everything's dead. Rome in August is like almost dead. Everybody wants to go to the beach. And I stay Snow White. No, it's just I don't like going to the beach by myself. Like, I want to go with my friends. Someone who wants to go to the beach, we can go together. So it's just like the idea is, I love going to the beach, but just not by myself. Just, it feels so lonely. I want to go with my friends. Someone who wants to go with me. Well, so let's feed the cats here. Oh, well, hey, baby. Buon appetito. Oh, well, amore. Where's the other cat? I'm gonna keep the water. Yay! I love you so much. Oh my god. He's blinking his eyes. They say when the cat blinks its eyes, meaning that they actually love you. That's so lovely. Lovely. This is his house. Colonia Felina protetta. Vietato maltrattare, allontanare e disturbare i gatti, vietato ostacolare l'attività di cura dei gatti da parte dei referenti della colonia felina, vietato danneggiare o asportare gli oggetti utilizzati per la cura della colonia. This is from the Comune of Roma, Colonia Felina protetta. I love that. I love that about Rome. It's so cool. There is Colonia Felina here and everywhere. Oh, well, ciao, baby boy. I love you so much, but I gotta go. I'll be back, okay? Yalla. Inshallah. بإذن الرب. Yalla. I'm gonna be back. Don't worry. I love you so much. Yalla. Haram. Poor babes. Oh, she has a house over there. That sweet cat. There's one more. One more paté to go for one of those kitties. Mhm. Mhm. Oh my god. So, my story with the cats. Mhm. Mhm. Let's see, where's the other cat? And all these mosquitoes have eaten me up alive. Wow. Okay. So, fed them everything. Whoa, baby girl! Oh, Mori. Hey, there's a black cat. She's so beautiful. I call her Negra. She's doing a fashion show. Che bella sfilata che fai! يا موري يا حبيبة قلبي تعالى هوني. شو هالقمر هالجمال كله، سبحان الخالق والخالق أحلى. جميلة يا قمر. Can I feed you؟ خليلك هاي عشان تصير beautiful أكتر. تعالي يا بنوتة يا كتكوتة يا حبوبة. Where shall I leave it? I don't know. With me, cats, it's been a while I haven't seen them, so they look like they lost weight. When I feed them, they are usually very healthy to the point where they gain weight. Oof. With me, they never starve with me. My goodness. Animals usually are viziate con me. Ciao, amore. When I feed you this, can I give you something? هيدي انت. تعي يا حبيبي يا حبيبة قلبي يا حرامي مسكينة. الله هلا هيك خايفين. لك تعي يا بنوتة، تعي يا بطوطة، تعي يا كتكوتة حبوبة. يا شهي القمر. ملكة جمال، ملكة جمال وماشي. تعي تعي يا حلوة. يا حبيبة قلبي. تعي غنوجة. تعي تعي حبيبي. بس بوسة. ليكي عندي من هدوك الكروكانتيني حطيتلك هونيك الصحن. تعي بيني. لا هلا أي حركة بتخاف هلا. ما فينا نتحرك. لا لأنه نو واي. تعي تعي. هلا خافت. يا تعي يا حلوة. طب وين مخليون؟ يلا تعي حط هون، بحط هون. تعي وين بحطها؟ هون. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, so cute. So cute. لا كتير ناعمة 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 على الآخر. نعومي انتي. Oh, I should call her نعومي. نعومي ناعمة. سو حلوة. ليك كيف تاكل لأنه هي عصفورة وحلوة. حلوة. حبيبي في إلك هون كروكانتيني قمر. اوكي يلا، يمكن انا احلى فيل، خليكن على راحتكم، بس ليكي بوقف معك شوي، بعمل لك ملاك حارس، لانه هلا بيجوا هدوك العصافير ما بخلوكي تاكلي. يا حلوة، هيك كيف عندي رشاقة وجميل مع شوية صحة، ما بيصيرلك شي، تاخدك شوية بروتين، يلا بيصيرلك عضلات على الخفيف يعني. حلوين. لا نعم. يا نجرة يا حلو يا بلا يا نجرة يا قمر انت يا حلو. وين هداك البيسو التاني حرام، مسكين عم بيعرف شفته. نعمة حلوة. لا ما بيصير هيك، لازم طلع عليكم دايما، لانه انا شفت انه اذا انا ما طليت العالم ما بهمها، صرتوا بعدين رفيع كلكم. ايه يا حبيبة قلبي، تشاو حلوة، مثل الجاكور عندي يا حلوة. تشاو بيلا، تشاو اموري، تشاو قمر. لا لا لا. يلا تننزل هلا على الروكي ستيبس، لانه هيدي النزلة الدرجات هولي بسموه، انا بسميهم الروكي ستيبس، لانه ليك طلع. You went out. No, let me change the language. Look, these are the rocky steps of Rome. Oh, there's this Brazilian guy I just met right now. I think that's him. Or no, another guy. I don't know. So anyway, so he's taking pictures of everything. Or is it him? Oh no, someone else. Oh, I don't know. You meet a lot of people here anyway. Okay. Now these are the steps. And there you go. And here we are. For when I'm older. Well, I don't know what that means. Well, I don't know. You get to play this thing. And then for when you're older, you play it. I don't know. You have a microphone? Are you going to sing? Are you going to do a concert? Oh, what are you doing? Okay. So, well, so this is kind of like the rocky steps. Scalea Ugubasi. There we go. Whoa. These are the steps. So cool. Mosquitoes have eaten me. I'm gonna run. Alright. And this is the neighborhood over here, Trastevere. Ciao.